Hello, my friend. Let's talk about the Gen Z. Who is Gen Z? Why Gen Zs are so popular, and why Gen Zs are the talk of the discussions almost in every corner of the world nowadays, and why are these people so popular? Where are these people coming from? Do they have some sort of supernatural powers? No. Then who is Gen Z? My friend, Gen Z are the human beings who, like us, common people, they drink the same water, they share the same air and the same earth like us. But they were born between 1997 to 2012. When they were born, they were already smartphones and they were dealing with the online shoppings, social media platforms like a TikTok, Instagrams, and they are into digital tools more than us. But these people really care about the stress, anxiety, burnout, and therapies bring into their day-to-day life and their work life, and they are focusing more about mental health. They really want to focus on the work-life balance. They don't want to be stressed out or burned out just because of the job. They need more emotional support than us, and they want to stick to an environment where they can feel safe, they can hurt, rather than just ignoring and let them deal with their own mess. They don't like it. Gen Zs are grow up during the recessions and high inflation, so money matters a lot. They are really care about the saving money, side hustle, job securities, financial literacy, not just to make money, but they want to go more deep into how to save the money, how to manage it, what expenses, what budget, and they are really strict to their rules based on their income. Maybe it can be go like a month to month, maybe it can be go to even week to week. It depends on the individuals. Gen Z are the people who really care about the authenticities. Like in terms of food, they only like organic food. So they dislike the fake personalities and social images. They like the real stories. They like the honesty communications, relatable contents. As I've written, they also want to share the real content, real stories, real communication. They don't like anything fake or just made up. They just want to stick to the real because they are really emotional person. And the third thing, they will care about the technologies and the digital convenience. Means they want everything fast without wasting any time because they just don't want to stress out. They just don't want to feel anxiety or burn out. They just rely on the fast information. They just use the social media or the on for the shopping. They just use the online shopping, and they rely on a lot of digital tools to access to such informations and to access to such facilities. Gen Z cares about the diversities. Gen Z cares about the inclusions. They respect all background, no matter where you're coming from. If you say the truth, if you try to make a honesty communications, or the real story, they will welcome you. Gen Z cares more about the equality instead of inequalities. Gen Z cares about the representations, any representation you make, but it has to be real, honest, not the fake. Gen Z care about the freedom of choice. They will encourage you in creative of freedom, creativities. They believe in independence. They want ability to live life on their own rather than somebody else interruptions. They believe in the freedom to express identity, whatever you are. Just feel free to speak out. At the last, the purpose, what the Gen Z share is not just about the money. They want a meaningful work. They want a company with the values and jobs that contribute to the society rather than focus on building or making self-wealth or just to become rich. They just want the all over society grow into one directions, and they want everybody to have their own freedom. They want everybody to have an ability to live life on their own. So guys, next time when you see a Gen Z, make sure just try to have a real conversations, a real stories, and please support Gen Z and make our world better future because they are the future. Thank you.